Most people don't lack confidence. They lack control. And control is what makes a leader. Let me tell you something straight. The reason you sound unsure isn't because you're weak, it's because you're rushing. Slow down. A Sigma doesn't chase attention, it commands it. The moment you stop trying to impress, people start paying attention. Think about it. Who sounds more powerful? The loud person explaining everything, or the calm one who speaks less but means every word? Exactly. Power is measured in restraint. Here's the truth. If you hesitate, people hesitate to trust you. When you say, maybe, I think, or kind of, you lower your own authority. Remove those words. Replace them with certainty. Say, here's what's happening. Say, this is the reality. Even if your voice is calm, your conviction must be solid. Because leadership isn't volume, it's clarity. And clarity comes from decisiveness. Now listen carefully. Your pace controls perception. Speak 10% slower than everyone else. Pause after strong statements. Let silence do the work. Silence makes people lean in. Silence creates weight. When you rush, you look nervous. When you pause, you look powerful. That small adjustment alone changes how people see you and how you see yourself. But here's where most people fail. They try to act confident. Sigma energy is not acting, it's alignment. Your words, your tone, your posture, all synchronized. Stand straight, shoulders relaxed, eye contact steady. No fidgeting, no unnecessary movement. When you control your body, your mind follows. And when your mind is steady, your voice becomes unshakable. Understand this. Leaders don't seek approval mid-sentence. They don't ask, does that make sense? They say, you understand. That subtle shift signals authority, because certainty is contagious. When you believe what you're saying, others feel it. If you doubt yourself, they will too. Here's the final shift. Stop talking to fill space. Talk to move direction. Every sentence should have intention. Every pause should have purpose. Every word should carry weight. The room doesn't follow the loudest person. It follows the most grounded one. So the next time you speak, don't try to sound confident. Decide you are. Lower your pace, remove hesitation, hold eye contact, and let your presence do what noise never can.